Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a superb example of a Discovery 5 in stock with us. This one in particular, quite a rare colour now. One of our stunning metallics that we have here in the Land Rover palette. Bryon Blue is the name of this metallic. Looks absolutely stunning, particularly with the specification that this car is, which by the way is HSE, so the top in terms of what was available on the car at the time. We've got black pack, so black lettering, black grille, and paired with that, of course, we've got them beautiful, arguably the best alloys that do go on Discovery as well, those 22-inch 5-spoke alloys, power folding wing mirrors, 3D surround camera, which gives us that nice bird's eye view when we come to park it, keyless entry, of course, and privacy glass. Now, when we're talking about Discovery, they're all 7 seats, so we've got an enormous boot when they are folded down, as you'll see here. So once we move this parcel shelf out of the way, of course, when it does connect in properly, we can actually use, with it being a HSE, the electric switches, and they will simply fold out, pop out the headrest, and they are full-size seats as well. So plenty of space for any occupants who are sat right in the back of the car. Looking to the interior of this one, so again, quite a nice colour combination. We've got the Light Oyster and Ebony duo. We can recline those seats, of course not the middle one, but the outer ones on the second row seats are actually heated as well. Now, if you just take a little look to the back of those front seats, we've actually got integrated click and base units in there. So if we're wanting to kind of put any coat hangers there, tablet holders for any children who might want to watch some tablets or iPads in the back, really, really handy. Got plenty of leg space for those rear occupants as well. Jumping into the front, lots of movement in these electric seats. They are memory functionality, along with the electrically adjustable steering wheel in this car. Again, excuse me, saves with the memory functionality, so really handy if we do have multiple people hopping in and out the car. Now, loads to talk about in here. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, so it's a very refined drive when we're driving it on longer journeys as well. 70,303 miles on this car. Now, that digital display is fully customizable, keyless start-stop, a huge infotainment system where what we call a Pivi Pro, so wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, two of arguably my favourite things on the car. Really handy to pop our phone connected on here as well. Now, we've got an electrically deployable Towbar on this car as well, which is not a cheap accessory by any means. So we can deploy it in the cabin, we can deploy it in the boot as well. Dual zone climate control, little bits of hidden storage down here. I always like that little secret stash spot. Heated seats, cooling seats, wireless device charging. Talk about the spec on this car all day long. Loads of storage in between the two front seat connectivity points, but I think the party piece of the Discovery is 2 glass roofs, and this front one does actually open right up with it being a sliding roof. So fantastic specification. We've got Meridian surround speakers as well, so again, you can talk all day about this one, and particularly quite what is a rare colour now. So brilliant specification. I definitely recommend that you come and take this car out for a drive as well. So my name's Sam. If you want to give us a call about this car, it's 01642 644 444. Thank you.